Hi, I'm going to show you how to create this Halloween art collage made of flowers and skulls.
So the first step is to get a frame. I'm going to be using this one, and to place it over the cardboard that you're going to be laying the flowers on. Next, draw. You need to cut. So you need to make sure this will fit in. And just cut out any extras. And it's perfect. So once you've secured the cardboard inside the frame, you need to start laying out the flowers. So I've got different types of flowers. I just bought these kinds of flowers from the dollar store. They're so cheap. And I just cut out bits of the flowers. Some flowers are just individual flowers that I took off the stem. Some I cut off. The larger ones that were a bit too bright for my liking, I just took them out and then gave them a bit of a spray, just sprayed them with a little bit of white, pastel colors, some silver. I wanted some silver leaves, so I cut out some of the leaves and just sprayed them silver. I'm going to lay out the flowers first to sort of visualize the design, and then I'll start to glue them on. So for the flowers that I took off the stems, they're going to have this kind of pointy thing at the bottom, so I'm just going to make a hole here and then just push them in. Later on, once I've decided on the final design, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue just to secure them on. Start gluing some of the flowers on using a hot glue gun.
The first step is to glue the big flowers onto the frame. Then I start adding some flower petals and leaves to the base to cover the background. After that, I glue the smaller flowers on.
So I've finished gluing all the flowers on, and I've left some gaps because I'm going to add some skulls to give it a bit of a creepy look. I placed the skulls where I want them between the flowers, and now I'm gonna hot glue them. Start with this one. And now the last thing I'm gonna do is just clean out any glue strings that I find. Here's my masterpiece. So you can use different types of flowers. You can use small flowers, big flowers. You can just put, roses if you like, red roses with, white skulls. But I wanted to go with the pastels to just give it a softer feel.